Hello friends, in the part session 2 or part 2 we'll discuss about the processing, and that is your food engineering and the farm power machinery and building materials. Thanks to Mr. Rajshekhar, the scientist, and the Nageshwar, assistant professor from farm machinery, and Samrin, assistant professor from processing, and the Pranali, Sagar and Navin for helping and clarifying my doubts regarding these few questions, and thank you very much. So let us see the question first one. The steering, this is the matching asked in the examination. The steering system always the knuckleman arm, the hydraulic brake also your 5, that is the master cylinder, and the power outlet always the PTO. So now key is the 2. So the next one is this is every time they asked in the examination in my treatise book, the last side I kept these questions also. Every time they will ask the PTO size. One is your 1000 RPM, another is your 540 RPM. So the key is the 2. And next one is your arrange the sequence of your power thresher in the sequence order, how the operations will carry out. This is a very simple question. What the initial will do, first the feed the harvest in the cylinder, then we grain the thresher, grain the seed and separate the grain and straw and clean the grain after removing the straw and make the bushel. So this is not asked, the 4 operations are asked. So answer is the B. Now next one, this is the very deep, you need to go in the your rice milling or milling operation in the processing. So the formula of this is from your Chakravarti book. So this is the answer. The key at the number of the breakers in the parabolic rice milling, that is your answer is the 2. And next one is the force required to direction of the travel. This is from FMP. A simple question asked from the Jagadish Sahai, page number. This is a very direct question they asked. And the Renat is the most effective at 60 degree Celsius. So this is the always coming from your dairy milk products. The original structure member provided on the door. This is from your building materials. So as of now, this is the lintel answer. It's correct answer. Next one is this is from your dairy or milk products. The very simple question they asked, same as it is from this book. The liquid content of cow milk range from the liquid content. The cow milk is typically contain the 10 power of 10 milk fat globules per million. So now this is the correct answer. Okay. And next one is the cow milk. Yeah. So here the liquid content in the cow milk range from the 33 to 47 gram per liters. So gram per liter. This is the liquid content. This is 2 are correct answer. So remaining are the A and B. So A and B is the correct answer. Remaining are the wrong answer. C is the 1. Next one is arrange the following sequence. Same seed drill. This is also the same seed drill mechanism, seed comfortable drill. So these are the sequence of operations. The answer is the A. Next one is the properties. For this you need a little more concept. Otherwise you have to go all these concepts. Otherwise it will little difficult to answer this. Now the key is the 2. So now the condensed milk is the prevention of the cream separation. The yogurt is your more stable gel. And the ice cream is your least fat, and the last option is the 2. This is your less separation from the fat. And this is a direct question they asked from your sprayers, the nozzle sprayers. That is this side. The direct question they asked. So here the nozzles cover with the entire area. It is small. That is your solid. The answer is 2. Now the approximate cost required for completion of projects can be known from. That is called a preliminary estimation. So here given the definition, the approximate quantity method, item rate, supplementary, the preliminary. So based on this, provide the rough estimation of the project before submitting into the any work. So, next one is which is not the enzymatic deterioration. There are 2 types of enzymatic deterioration. One is your non-enzymatic and the enzymatic. So enzymatic means where we are, suppose we are apple is there, so we are cut the apple and expose some time to your air. So then the color will change, okay, but their property, the taste will not change. So such type of question is asked. So here not the enzymatic deterioration means suppose the chemical action will not change. So browning is also the not answer, color change also answer, the flavor also be the answer, but not. So this is the toxic. The 4 is the answer. The brown non-enzymatic, this the flavor accompanying the flavor also be there, the chemical action. So reaction, okay, the reaction based on this, the toxic production is the correct answer. Next one is your power test, safety test, ergonomic test. This is very simple. The power test. So where is the power test? Always you will use for the drawbar. So always available at the PTO or rear end or your drive wheels. Okay. So that is the answer is the 5. So the 5 is this one. And the safety test always use for the safety brake. So this is the 4. Okay. See this type of complicate now. So another 2 is correct answer remaining. The ergonomic test always for the noise, heart, beat, breathing condition. So all this always comes under ergonomics condition. And field test your 3. That is your Halivan test. Next one is your the many in many foodstuffs. So this is the direct question they asked from the constant rate drying period. Okay, the definition, that is your cast hardening. There is a definition directly they asked. So what is the definition of your cast hardening? Next one, your balancing method, that is comes under your charges. Charges mean weighing of your farm tractors or farm, that is your type of the balancing method. There are 3 types of methods are there. So in this, which type of balancing method used for the following tractors? So one is your Crowley tractor. Okay, so Crowley tractor is the like your track type or your Crowley tractor. The right answer is the 2. So not the power tiller or crop road tractor or 4-wheeler tractors. Now this is also every time expected question. This is the expected question in the combine harvester. What is the real adjustment definition? Maybe sometime they will ask other real speed they will ask. Here they ask simply the range of this. So that is the answer is 2. Next one is your the vapor recompression is usually applied in combination with. So the vapor recompression. So there are 3 types of the heat exchangers there. So here the vapor recompression means when you are drying the product or liquid and vapor, you need to separate. So they will have multiple evaporators. So the water will go in this, again in this. Okay, like that again the water will reuse. So here such type of techniques, maybe I'm not going deep. So this is the exact answer is the boiling effect evaporator. The answer is 4. And next one is a chronological order to calculate the your quantity of earthworks. So these are the correct answer A. And next specification comes under the classification of the thermochemical. So as of now I'm exactly don't know this answer. So the assume is the 4. Next one is your compaction test, also known as, that is compaction test, which is known as modified AASHO test. So this is the name, modified protector test. It is a American Association for this State Highway Official. So the full form. So this is the modified test. Next one is your estimation the quantity of earthwork. This is very simple. So this is the similar question they asked in the public service exam in the civil engineering in 21 recently. So I am suggesting you all that when you are going to the other subjects more than the our subjects such as the civil engineering, mechanics, soil mechanics, strength of material or this building. So please go through the civil engineering materials because we don't have any sufficient books on this. So I preferably Raj, so I will solve this problem from using the textbook.com. I thank for it. So here the answer is the meter cube, not square meter. So always the volume should be in meter cube. So simply, so this is also eliminated, this is also eliminated. So remaining the A and 4. So if you multiply based on these values, you will get the answer 1. And the neutralization process during the crude oil. Crude oil is always removed from the FFA, that is a free fatty acid. This is the answer from the processing. The separation of the seed. There are different types of the separators. That is a magnetic separator, concentrating, specific gravity, aspirator, and the decorticator. Are so many types. Based on the seeds and grain will separate from the your specific gravity separator. So this book will not, from the Singh and Sai will not cover. We need to refer some more book. So this is the exact application of the seed separator. This is the question they copied from the book. And extruder. So if you know the image of the extruder, the screws are there here. One screw is there, another screw is there. So here in this, which type of flows is come? There are 2 types of flows. One is a backward flow, one is forward flow, and at the end of the wall of the backward flows. So these are the definition they asked. After the leakage, okay, what type of flows between your sides of the wall? This is so the leakage flow occur within the clearance between the screw fluid and the barrel within the longitudinal grooves in the barrel. So exactly this I taken from the online sources. I don't know exact book which is so, but this is the source. So answer is the 4. So now next one is your consider the strip cropping. This is Jagadish Sahai. So very simple fundamental question they will expect. The answer is the here the application of the secondary tillage. Next one is your digging resistance backfeed approach. Yeah, so this is the bucket elevator. So okay, bucket elevator. So in this type the digging backfeed approach. In this condition, what are the parameters that depends? So that is the specific weight also depend, particle also be depend, shape also be depend, bucket spacing also depend, overloading, elevator boot also be built, tension maybe. I'm not thinking, so that's why answer is the 3. So this is assumed. So exactly in that book also I have not found this concept. So maybe where I asked the expert also, but they are little bit assumed this is the answer. So maybe like expect this is the correct answer in the TSPC exam. So now next one, consider the following statement. The hydraulic brake of the mixer. So already know this is the ethyl. No, there are the Gizel is there. So you know the farm missionary fellows will do. This is the wrong answer A. And tractor, this is the correct answer. And the external brake, contact the shoe brakes, power tiller, exactly. So B and C are correct answers. So 3 is the correct answer. Sorry, C and D is the correct answers. So this is also wrong answer. So the C and D is the correct answer. Next one is your disruption in the. This topic is comes from your processing food engineering. So this is the concept I given that disruption is achieved in the rising temperature in order to near the ambient temperature, retaining the low pressure. So I have not found this disruption relation with your sublimation at low temperature. This is also wrong answer. So now only the answer is your A. So these are simply modified of this question. This has changed the temperature only. Here rising, here the lowering. Again the lowering temperature near the ambient temperature. Here the pressure is high, here is a low. So this type of simply modified. All are the same, but the temperature is higher. So this is, but there is no relation between the temperature and pressure and sublimation. So this is maybe wrong. So let us. This is the correct answer A. Next one is the part of the building structure that transfer the load to the ground. That is the column. That's a simple question. The remedy suggested for the bleaching. So bleaching during the parabolic rise. So this is the comes on Chakravarti post cereals and pulses. That is the sodium chloride method. One a brine solution method. So here there is not given the brine. So remaining answer is the sodium. That is the 4. Next one is your metabolic tractor. This is comes from tractor ergonomics. As I told you, just noise, hot operation time. This is all ergonomics. So the answer is the 70 to 140. So here the 70 to 174 is given. So this is the answer correct. Answer is 4. So arrange the following tractor power transmission in the power transmission. This is the engine to flywheel, clutch, gear, differential unit, again the rear wheel. So now arrange all these things. So they are not given from here. So they started from the differential unit. That is the gear. So this is the gear, differential unit, rear wheel and power. So this is the answer correct. See. Now the CFTRI, this is a every time expected question in CFTRI drying method. Which type of a dryer is used? Not rotary, not tunnel, not reciprocal. LSU is the correct answer. Now CFTRI method, this is the source. CFTRI method always uses LSU dryer. So this is the minimum temperature for this operation is 6 hours. So these are the Singh and Sohae and Chakravarti books also covered. And consider the following statement. Report approximate specification, detailed specification, drawing. Which of the following is not a detailed estimation? Detailed estimation. So assumed is the only D. The drawing in detailed estimation we will don't have the drawing. So remaining only report is there, cost is there, and the specification is there maybe. So I am assuming the 3 is the correct answer. You expect later that will be correct answer. The next one is the steering system, Ackermann steering system. So that is the tire trap. That is called your here see the tire loading. Tire loading is the most significant variable affect the requirement. This is from the ICR e-course material they given. You will not find from the Jagadish Sahai. Next one is the empirical filter cake resistance. So this is the simple question they asked from the your heat exchangers. This book is the Jinko Place book, heat and mass transfer, page number this. You can find the 912 page number. You can find the value is the yes, that is called yes. The value 0.1 to 0.8. Okay, and same thing is given exactly. This is the question. They copied the compressibility of the coefficient that cake. The answer is 2. Sorry, answer is 4. Next one is your. So see I copied one of my friends shared, Samir madam shared this PPT exactly, means from the net, the exact definition they have copied. I have gone through entire textbooks, so the entire definition from this Singh and Sai are different, but this PPT, maybe this is the PPT you can find from the IIT faculty lectures. So this is the correct answer. Maybe they are following the number of sources, not only individual book or any material. So we have to, from these exams we can understand that the complete knowledge from the particular subject or particular definition we should have, then only we can answer this such type of question. Otherwise it is very difficult to question. Mugging or following the only objective previous paper objectives books, it will not help you. The key is the 4. Next to the, this is from the building material they asked, the key is the 1, so because the foundation always the your horizontal element, so that is the A is the, sorry, that is the settlement, A is the 4. Next one, floor always the horizontal element, because always the horizontal element, this is called a floor. So now there is simple questions we can understand from basic. Next one, the which type of material we used for the aluminum foil for coating, that is your cheese. So the cheese or cheese pipe, this is also copied from the ICAR e-course material. Okay. Next one, this is the little complicated equation from the mixing. Okay, this also copied from the my one of friend Samir madam shared with me. So this is the answer. So the K is depends on your mixing machine. That machine means always having the drum, its speed and inclination, all these things. So let us see, the correct answer is the 3. That is your total inclination, speed, length, diameter and particle size, because it will mix the particle. So which type of particle will mix and what is the relative volume. So the relative volume of these components also be there, but not total volume of the material will not matter the total volume. So whatever the feeding material in this mixing will not completely at a time mixed. So we'll supply only small amount. So the correct answer may be this 3. So we are assuming. Let us see which one is the correct answer. Next one is your consider the following. This is also most important. Everyone knows. So what is the low temperature high duration and high temperature short duration? This is the always very simple question. So everyone can do this answer. Key is the your 1. That is your 30 minutes per 62 and 15 seconds for the 71. Okay. So this is a diary and the next position control system. Position control system, that is we know that is 3-point hitching system. So here the not power system, not nudging system, not hydrostatic steering system. So the next question is the cutting area of the combine harvester. So this is very simple question. So here the width is given, the 4 meters and speed is the 4 kilometers. So we converted the kilometer into the meter, 4 into 1000 meter per hour. So units are already in hour, so we no need to convert in the seconds. Now 4 into, that is the 16,000 meters square per hour. So what is given? All units are in hectare. So we need to convert. So 1 hectare equals to 10 power of 4 meter square, or we can write 100 into 100 meter square. So now simply substitute the 16,000 by 100 into 100. So we get this. So double zeros, the double zero, this 0 and this 0 cancel. So that's 16 by 10. So what is that? 1.6 hectare per hour. So answer is the 4. Next one is the purpose of conditioning in wheat milling. So it will help to toughen the bran, and endosperm also be more easily separate, and the grinding power become less. So the answer is the 3. Next, this also type of questions from the ergonomics. Instructor will always ask this direct question. So this is the source I given. Next one is your this question from the MB our disc plow and MB plow. That is a primary tillage and secondary tillage implement. So these are also direct question. They asked from the Jagadisha Sahe. The trail type, there are, we know the type of MB disc plows are 2 types. Okay. So from this answer is the 1. Next to the hydrometer bulb in the hydrometer. So we will do, when we will do the practical, we will observe the simple instrument, but we will not observe the readings. Okay, how it varies. So this is a very good question they asked. So I will feel this is a very excellent question. So while doing the hydrometry analysis, anything,
So we will simply see the values. But when you're going to downward in the hydrometer, these values are increasing. So that is a very simple question I ask you. Toward the hydrometer bulb, the hydrometer reading will be increases when you go into the downward. So this is the mercury which is available in the our hydrometer. Okay. Next one is your during the steeping operation of corn wheat milling and warm water, small amount of sulfuric acid. So what is the purpose of this? So very simple question. So it helps to soften the kernel and it prevent the undesirable fermentation. So answer is the 2. Next one is, so this is the types of movers and reapers. We know the movers and reapers. So these are harvesting equipment. So all type of the mover definitions they asked and what is the purpose. So this is the Jagdish Sahai question, simple direct question they asked, and so that we can easily match. Next, neutral radius of the milk. This is the product question from the milk and its products. So answer is the C and D. That is the place of the feed inlet and the product outlet or centrifugal pump and get the maximum separation. So answer is the C and D. Next, so this is the from the foundation. Exactly, I also don't know. So let us wait for the TSPS the question sheet. Next, this is the from the your simple concept from the farm machinery. So when you are going to the traction improves in tractor, we should add the some weight. That is called your ballasting. So the first question is the answer is correct. And next one, the hydraulic control system is power from your tractor outlet. So no, the hydraulic power hydraulic control system never control the power of your tractor. So this is also wrong. So now remaining answer is B and D. So differential in a tractor is provided to control the engine speed. This is also wrong. Now A is correct, B is wrong, C is the wrong. So now A and D. So A and D. So this is the 2. Next one is the riveted joint. So this is from the strength of material. So this is a simple question here. So simply note down the shear strength, crushing strength, shearing strength, and below a given data, which one is the lowest? 30. So what is the efficiency? This is the lowest strength by your strength of your riveted. That is the 30 by 50 into 100. So you get the 60%. So this type of question are asked in your DS some mechanical engineering in 2019. So I taken the source to solve this problem. Thank you very much. All the best for your jobs.